Welcome to Childlike Learning. Today, let's learn English and biology fun. Watch, say after me, and enjoy.
Mini story: Protect nature. Long ago, animals lived happily on Earth. Fish swam in the water. They used fins to move and gills to breathe. Amphibians lived on land and in water. They breathed with lungs and also through their wet skin. Reptiles had dry, scaly skin. They loved warm sunlight. Birds flew high in the sky. They had feathers, strong wings, and special air sacs to help them breathe while flying. Mammals had fur or hair. Mothers fed their babies with milk. One day, a terrible monster came. It had a big mouth. It destroyed forests, polluted rivers, and made the air dirty. Animals became sad and sick. The Lion King was very angry. "We must stop this monster," he roared. All animals gathered to fight together. Sharks in the ocean cut the monster's lines. Frogs and toads croaked very loudly day and night. Geckos watched the monster from walls and trees. Birds attacked from above. Tigers, leopards, and elephants chased the monster on land. Worms entered the monster's body and made it sick. Flies and mosquitoes spread dangerous diseases. Rats carried terrible germs. Finally, the monster cried, "Stop! I'm sorry! I will protect nature now!" The Lion King smiled. "Every animal is important. If we destroy nature, we destroy ourselves." From that day, animals and the monster kept the earth clean and green. Now, listen and answer every question in this story. Do animals live happily on Earth? Yes, they do. Where do fish swim? In the water. What do fish use to move? Fins. How do fish breathe? Through gills. Do amphibians live only in water? No, they live on land and in water. Do amphibians breathe with lungs? Yes, they do. Can amphibians breathe through their skin? Yes, they can. Does amphibian skin need to stay wet? Yes, it does. What kind of skin do reptiles have? Dry, scaly skin. Do reptiles love sunlight? Yes, they do. Do birds have feathers? Yes, they have feathers. What helps birds fly? Strong wings. Do birds have air sacs? Yes, they do. Why do birds need air sacs? To help them breathe while flying. Do mammals have fur or hair? Yes, they do. How do mammal mothers feed their babies? With milk. One day, did a terrible monster come? Yes, it did. What did the monster destroy? Forests and rivers. Did the monster pollute the air? Yes, it did. Was the Lion King angry? Yes, he was very angry. What did the Lion King want to do? Stop the monster. Did all animals help fight? Yes, they did. Where did sharks fight? In the ocean. What did frogs and toads do? They croaked loudly. Where did geckos watch from? From walls and trees. Did birds attack from the sky? Yes, they did. Who chased the monster on land? Tigers, leopards, and elephants. What did worms do to the monster? They made it sick. Did flies and mosquitoes spread diseases? Yes, they did. Did rats carry germs? Yes, they did. Did the monster say sorry in the end? Yes, it did. What did the monster promise? To protect nature. What did the Lion King say about animals? Every animal is important. If we destroy nature, what happens to us? We destroy ourselves. Do animals and nature need to stay together? Yes, they do.
Now, listen and repeat the story in different tenses. Present simple. Animals live happily on Earth now. Fish swim in the water. They use fins and breathe with gills. Amphibians live on land and in water. They breathe with lungs and skin. Reptiles have scaly skin. They love the sun. Birds fly in the sky. They have feathers and air sacs. Mammals have fur. Mothers give milk to babies. We protect nature every day. Future. Animals will live happily on Earth. Fish are going to swim freely in clean water. Amphibians will live safely on land and in rivers. Reptiles will enjoy warm sunlight. Birds will fly high with strong wings and air sacs. Mammals will have fur, and mothers will feed babies with milk. We will protect nature forever. Try to listen and answer every question in the story every day for 1 or 2 weeks. When you listen many times, you will remember the new words more easily. You will also get better at grammar and pronunciation without even thinking about it. Keep going, you're doing great. All right, see you next time. Bye-bye.